contestants at this point. We're just making you know the states and contestants representing. But at this point, we'd like to take a short break and welcome someone who's going to give us a brief and a welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Ken Godwin Atta. Please put your hands together and welcome Ken Godwin Atta. God bless you.
I want to welcome you officially to Face of Niger Delta 2014. Face of Niger Delta is for social balance in the oil-rich Niger Delta region to celebrate and unite the oil-rich Niger Delta region. It is aimed at strengthening, it is aimed at empowering and developing the youth of Niger Delta. It is aimed at developing our tourism potentials and endowment, and of course, Face of Niger Delta is for social balance in the oil-rich Niger Delta region. There used to be a time when people say Niger Delta, people will see militancy, people will see violence, people will see restiveness. Face of Niger Delta is to take over focus from violence and all those negative issues, but to celebrate this great entity called Niger Delta. I was inspired by the fact that it's time to pause and let's have a new Niger Delta. Mine is a sincere effort to drive the youth of Niger Delta towards the new Niger Delta, where peace, where love and unity reigns. I want to ask all of us tonight that in the spirit of Face of Niger Delta 2014, that let's begin to see a new Niger Delta. Let's come together, let's unite. You cannot undermine the power of unity. You just can't. Face of Niger Delta's objective is it cannot be overemphasized, because it should serve as a moral standard for the youth of Niger Delta, and of course it shall make for social balance in the region. I want to welcome you officially, and I want to thank you for being here. I want to say that together we will achieve. Together, we will build the Niger Delta of our dream. You're welcome to Face of Niger Delta 2014. Thank you so much.